So it's a nice morning. It rained last night, but I looked at the forecast and it's not showing any rain, just cloudy, which is a great day for photography, some situations. So we're going to do a first thing on my list here, plus it's not going to freeze either for the next couple nights, especially tonight is the important one. I have this area where I put this really big stone. I had some help from my brother-in-law years ago. Got it on the truck, got it over here, and I don't know how much it weighs. It's several hundred pounds. And we put it here, and it's a great, step into the wood shop. But I have this issue here where we have this area. The leaves like to get caught in here. Then in the winter, the snow gets in there. I try to keep it cleaned out to some extent, but honestly, I don't do a great job on it. And you can clean it out one day and they're in here the next day. So what I'm going to do, I've decided this is something that's kind of been on my mind for a long time. I'm going to clean it all out, take out any rot that's there. I don't know how much is there. I hope not a lot, but there could be, never know. And then I'm going to do some concrete, and what I envision is the concrete sloping right down to the stone. Now, I thought about, I guess I can't even remove the mat because I got my other stone on it, so I need to pull them off temporarily. I kind of like them there. They give me a place to set things. Although those are going to be used for underneath the stove is what I was planning on, so I may get some more. Or maybe I'll leave them there and get some others. So I could pull the stone out. But first of all, it's not going to come out of there easy. And there's a chance I could hurt my back or strain it and not be feeling good for a couple days while it's resting and healing. So I'm not even going to move it. Plus it's settled in there. It's been in there for 30-some years about. It's probably not moving much. Yes, everything moves a little bit, but the less it moves, the better it is for this concrete joint. So I'm going to start cleaning it out right now. First, I'm probably going to rake these leaves away and then clean it out. And let's see what we have and what we have to fix. I don't know if we have to put a board in there. And if we do need to put a board in there, can we even get a board in there? Or do we just concrete it right full? So you can see where it is. It's the entranceway to the wood shop. And it does have some overhang there, so not like water's getting on it all the time, although it splashes a lot. So there's definitely water getting in there every time it rains. And then after we get that going, we'll start working on framing in the windows and the door. So let's start at it. It's exciting.